Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Doodle. Today, we will be drawing the cutest lollipop ever. Let's get started. First, draw a circle.
Wow!
Next, draw a long rectangle with a curve at the bottom of the circle. Then draw a sideways V on the left side of the circle. After that, draw a small circle next to the V for the eye. Then draw two smaller circles inside the big one. Color everything in the big circle except for the small circles. After that, draw a sideways 3 at the bottom middle of the eyes. Then draw a U at the bottom of the sideways 3. After that, draw a line straight down the middle of the tongue. Let's color. Thanks for watching my video! If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and push the like button. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys!